The Spitzenkandidaten system was already put in place last time. It was quite successful in the sense that Jean-Claude Juncker, the candidate of the strongest party, became President of the European Commission. The system is still in place. Of course, as a member of the EPP, I hope that Manfred Weber can become President of the European Commission. But the game will be much more complicated than it was 5 years ago, because the European Parliament will be much more fragmented, and the candidate of the strongest party has to make much more efforts than 5 years ago to bring together a majority behind his name. I'm not an enthusiast. I'm not enthusiastic about the system itself. I said it 5-6 years ago, but it was decided and we have to implement